What'd you get?
Whoa.
What'd you get?
Can you open it?
Oh my
look.
god. Oh, yay!
Oh! Take it out. They run all over.
Take out your present.
Wow. And you got treats too. Milk and cookies.
Oh, that's so cute. Bubby, we gotta take the cardboard off. Good boy.
Here.
Good boy. Yay!
What'd you get? What did I get, Dad? What did I get? Oh, he said, call the surgery suite. I see a squeaker to take out. Yeah. Sean, you're drowning in Lego over there. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Did you have a good day?
Yes.
Yes, we just got home a little while ago, maybe 15 minutes. Did you have a good day, sir?
Yes.
Yes. I as well had a good day. I'm having a little second dinner right now. I had the polenta and whatever.
Whatever.
I don't know, what would you call it? Polenta and veggies?
Lasagna.
I don't know if I would call it a lasagna or not. But we are dropping it everywhere. We didn't eat all of this. I just, this is what wouldn't fit in the fridge right now. I'm exhausted right now. I had a great day with my family. And the living room is an absolute disaster right now.
Yeah.
Pretty much. I'm just trying to check here.
Disaster.
Yeah, it's an absolute disaster.
Let's try the beginning. Let's try the beginning.
Let's try the beginning.
Let's try the beginning.
So, birthday shout outs. Today, born on this day, Isabel Vieira's sister Maria. We shouted her out yesterday. I'm going to re-shout her out today. Happy birthday, Maria.
Birthday.
Oh,
We also have tomorrow, in case this video does not go up early enough.
Should I do it again? That's not spot. Oh, I can do grandma.
Sean is working on
Your friends in here.
Willy Wonka Lego. I gotta sit down because I'm. Oh, here comes Lammy. I'm exhausted. Whoa, you gotta open some of your presents. We'll have her open a present in a minute. Friday's birthdays.
All right, that's enough.
None other than the one and only Jody Cortez. Happy birthday, Jody. Wonderful.
That's enough.
Hope you're having a great day tomorrow. Julie Ransom, also born on that day.
All right, that's enough.
Julie, happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. I have to pay my water bill.
Oh my God. Don't be scared, Dad.
Mark has off. That's wonderful. It is also Randy's birthday. I believe of Nick and Randy. So happy birthday, Randy.
Tomorrow, Spot.
And it is also the beginning of Kwanzaa. So if you celebrate Kwanzaa, happy Kwanzaa. I hope all of the birthday recipients are living their best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness. And that brings this video to an end. So maybe we can get Lammy to open up a present. Lammy should open up one of her presents.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, let's see what we got for her. Let's see, Lammy. I think we got some presents over here for you. Yeah, that one too. What do you think about that? Are you interested?
Come on, buddy.
Let's see what you got. Lammy, look. Don't get freaked out. Lammy, look. What do we have here? Daddy, help me. Oh, Lammy, look. It's Garfield. Oh, she ran away. Come up here. Come here. Come on up. All right, how about over here? What do you think about that? She said, oh, yes, this is for me. Garfield and Odie Christmas
Now,
toys.
Sherry, can we eat?
Sean D wanted to steal this away from you.
No, no. Come on.
Look, it makes a little noise.
No man was
There you
sorry
go.
for me. It was the worst night of my life.
Is it Lammy approved?
Birthday party included tonight.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Wonderful.
It's 20 bucks. No, it's not.
Yeah, Lammy loves it. Let's see what else we got for Lammy. Oh, what is this one? Lammy, look. This one is for Maddie and Sean. Oh, it's another Garfield. Look at that. What do you think about that? He says, I'm going to jump over here. What do you think about that? What do you think?
She doesn't have to open them all now.
No.
She can make Christmas last.
Yes, she can.
Right, Bowie?
What do you think, Lamb? Bowie says, are there more presents for me, Dad?
Yes.
There are, actually.
Oh, yes. Did you get
Oh,
You
Daddy's boy.
You enjoyed opening your presents
He
today.
did.
He was so excited.
Oh, she likes hers too.
Did you already get Squeaker out of that thing?
Yes, Daddy. I'm a surgeon. I'm a doggy surgeon who removes squeakers from toys.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ready to get here to go on vacation with some
What do you think, Lamb? You ready to take that out of the cardboard?
gentlemen.
All right. I guess that's all we have for today.
Stand back.
Sorry I didn't film very much, but like I'm in the moment with my family, so maybe tomorrow we'll show us cleaning up a little bit.
Good one.
I know, right? We're just gonna leave it. Just kidding. We'll probably clean up, but
Scissors.
I have some scissors somewhere. Here. Be careful. Those are very good scissors, so like don't screw him up on that.
Try not to.
Bubby thinks that's for him.
Yeah, right.
Bubby, that is for kitty cats.
Dad, have you seen my bone?
Huh?
No. What about yours?
Lammy, what do you think?
I'm calling him police.
What do you think? She loves feathers. She said, oh, this is just for me. Thank you.
Yes.
What about you? Where's your toys?
Go get them.
He said, I want her toys.
You can't have all the toys.
Bad boys get all the toys, Bowie.
Oh, you can't have
What do you think, Lamb? You like it? Do you like it? She said, yes, I do. Alright, that's good enough for me. Nobody found the Christmas pickle because nobody remembered to look for it.
Oh, well.
You snooze, you lose. What can I say? Well, I hope everybody had a very nice Christmas, whoever celebrates Christmas. And whatever other holiday you celebrate, I hope you're having a great time doing it. We are going to sign off because I'm exhausted. I've been going hard since 7 this morning.
Yeah.
And it is now 9:36. So I think I'm going to decompress for a little bit. Probably fall asleep on the sofa if I'm being completely honest.
Yeah.
As I should. And, does he like that?
It's just cardboard.
Oh. We'll see everybody tomorrow. And until then, much love. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a great night.